Good morning, students. Welcome in this session. Today I am going to teach fractions. Okay, and now I am going to teach you what is the like and unlike fractions. Okay, first we discuss about the fraction. In previous videos, I have taught you what is the fraction. Fraction is a number which can be written in the form of a by b, where b is not equal to 0. Okay, so now here like fractions. What is like fractions? So two or more than two fractions, two or more than two fractions, if this is if the denominators are equal, then it is said like fractions. Or more fraction, I am taking more fraction like that 2 upon 5 and 3 upon 5, 4 upon 5. The denominators of the fractions are same, that's why all are said like fractions. If the fractions of two or more than two fractions having same denominators, that is said like fractions. Okay, now unlike fraction, just opposite. If the denominators are not equal, if the denominators are not equal, these are said unlike fractions. Okay, so two or more than two fractions having unequal denominators are said unlike fractions. Okay, now we learn that how will you convert unlike into like fraction. Okay, so I take an example that 1 upon 2 and 2 upon 3. How can you make both as a like fractions? Okay, like fraction means denominator should be equal. Denominator should be equal. Denominators is here. Denominators are 2 and 3. So you have to make the denominators equal. Then first rule, that you have to take the LCM of the denominators. LCM of the denominators is 2 into 3, that is 6. Now you have to make the denominators 6 here. So now 1 upon 2 and that is 2 upon 3, make the denominator 6. So 2 is multiplied upon 3 and now 3 is multiplied upon 2, then you will get 6, that it is 3 upon 6 and 4 upon 6. Both are like fractions because their denominators became equal. Okay, so this is method that how would you convert unlike into like fractions. Okay, now I am going to solve the exercise. Now I am solving second number question. Convert these fraction into like fractions. Just I had solved one example and I have taken one more now. So the fraction, first write that fractions and all are unlike. So first work that take LCM, taking LCM of the denominators. All the denominators 5, 10, 15 and 30. Take the LCM, divided by 2, 5, that is 5, 15 and 15. Divide by 5. Now again by 3. So LCM become 5, 2 into 5 into 3. 30. LCM become 30. Now you have to convert all the fraction into all the denominators should be 30. 5, 7 upon 30. You can 10, 8 upon 15 and 11 upon 30. Make all the denominators 30. So 3 upon 5, if you multiply by 6 with the denominators and the numerators, 6 will cut and we will get 3 upon 5. We can multiply or divide with the same number. Okay? 7 upon 10 multiply by 3 and here 8 upon 15 you can multiply by 2 for getting 30, and here 11 upon 30, 30 is already given, so there is no change. So it becomes 18 upon 30, this is 21 upon 30 and this is 16 upon 30 and now 11 upon 30. All become the like fractions now. Okay, this is the answer. This way you can make the rest questions. Okay, now I make the next one. Now I am going to solve 4th and 5th number. You have to use the greater than or less than symbol. Okay, fill in the placeholders with the correct symbol, greater or less than symbol. Okay, this place you have to fill. Okay, greater than or equal to or less than. Now first number question, 8 upon 9 or 5 upon 9, which one is greater? Okay, so listen the rule. First number rule, if the denominators are equal, here 9 9, here 20 20, so if the denominators are equal, then the fraction will be greater which have greater numerator. 8 and 5, which is greater? 8 is greater, that's why this will be greater. 8 upon 9 will be greater. Here which have the larger or greater the numerator? 17 is the greater, that's why this is symbol. This symbol means 8 upon 9 is greater than 5 upon 9 and 11 upon 20 is less than 17 upon 20. Okay, and here just opposite given. Now the numerators are equal. Then the case will be just opposite. Means if the numerators are equal, then the fraction will be greater which have least denominator. Okay, which have least denominator means smaller denominator, means this is 8 or 10, this is the smaller, so this will be the greater. Okay, now which have 14 is less than 15, so 14 will be greater. Once again I repeat, if the denominators are equal, then the fraction will be greater which have the greater values. Here 17 is greater, so this will be the greater. And just opposite, if the numerators are equal, 7 7, 11 11, then the fraction will be greater which have the smaller denominator. 8 is smaller than 10, so 8 will be greater. 14 is the smaller of the 15, that's why this fraction will be the greater. Okay, now here just same question asked in 6th number, compare the fraction given below. Means 4 upon 5 is greater or this one is greater, 5 upon 7 is greater. Here the case is different because the denominators also unequal and the numerators are also unequal, not equal. Okay, so now I am going to taught you one theory, a small theory that in previous class I have taught you. Then if A upon B and C upon D, two fractions are given, then the fraction will be greater if you take the cross product. A into D and B into C. If this is greater, then A upon B will be the greater of C upon D. And if A into D is less than B into C, then the symbol will be changed. A upon B would be less than C upon D. Okay. Also, I write here A into D if less than C upon B into C, then A upon B will be less than C upon D. Okay. This is second number. This is first. This rule we will use here. Taking cross product. Four upon 5 and 5 upon 7. Taking cross product, 4 into 7 and 5 into 5. 4 into 7, 28, and this is, now I write it. Which one is greater? 28 is greater. That's why 4 upon 5 will be greater than 5 upon 7. Okay? Using this rule, you can do the rest question. Okay? Now, I solve the next question. Now, I have taken 18 number question. The question says that arrange in ascending order. Okay? So, the first work that you have to do that, first convert into like fractions. All are unlike. So, you have to convert first into like fraction. So, first work that you have to take LCM of the denominator. Taking LCM of the denominators. Okay, 2, 4, 6 and 8. Take the LCM by 2, 1 jar, 2, 2 jar, 2, 3 jar, 2, 4 jar. Again by 2, 1 jar. Now the LCM will be 2 into 2 into 3 into 2. 2 to jar, 4, 3 jar, 12 to jar, 24. Okay, 24 with the LCM. And now convert into unlike into like decimal fractions. Okay, make all the denominators 24. 1 into 2, 1 upon 2, so by which you will multiply for making 24, so by 12, 3 upon 4, by 6 for making 24, and here 5 upon 6 multiply by 4, and 7 upon 8 multiply upon 3. So now this is 12 upon 24, 18 upon 24, 20 upon 24, and this is 21 upon 24. Okay, so now you can arrange this one in ascending order. Okay, ascending order means the fraction which have the least value. Least value which is the smaller. Now just I have said that the rule when the denominators are equal, that's why the fraction which will be smaller, which have a smaller value of the numerators. 12 is the smallest, that's why 12 upon 24 will be the smaller. And now 18 upon 24 and 20 upon 24 and 21 upon 24. This is in ascending order. Okay, so 12 upon 24 we got from half, 1 upon 2, and 18, 3 upon 4, and 20 upon 24 we got 5 upon 6, and now 7 upon 8. This is the answer. Okay, This way you will solve the rest question. If the descending order given, and this is ascending or descending order given, then you will write first, you will start from here, 21 upon 24, then 20 upon 24, 18 upon 24, then 12 upon 24. Okay, you will only you will convert only. Okay, you will start from the greater. Same process you can do now. Okay, now I see you in the next video. Till then, have a good day. Bye.